What are you doing?
I'm making spiral test poster.
I have a method you haven't seen. Come here, I will teach you. Be optimistic. Rectangle tool to draw a square. Then copy one. Proportional reduction. Rotate. Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus C. Repeat the transformation and done. Do not blink. Let's add a little changes in operation so that your design will be unique. First, fill the canvas with the finished image. Copy a layer and rotate the image at an angle to make it richer. Group the two layers, add a gradient overlay, and select the gradient color that you like. We input 3 paragraphs using perspective and deformation in free transformation to deform each paragraph so that it is embedded in the graphics. And a filter, move the aperture in the canvas and it's done. It's better to practice it yourself than watch the video 1,000 times.